Alright, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start try to start the MS170 first, so I opened up the oil cap for the chain oil and this is what came out. It's very liquidy for chain oil. Also, if I just do two fingers like this, you can see there's no tackiness. I think it's an engine oil or something like that. At least it's clean, so it's not as bad as used engine oil. But whereas what I got in here, it's bar oil. You can see it's a little bit thicker, the movement is a little bit slower. Also, if I pinch it between my thumb, you can see there's a bit more tackiness. I don't know, the camera picks it up, but there's like, pull your fingers apart, you feel it's a bit more tacky. It's a bit more stringy, if you can call oil stringy. So this hasn't really got a bar oil type smell. It smells more like motor oil, unless it's Stihl oil is like that. I've never used Stihl bar oil, so I can't tell you if that is it. If it is, let me know. I'll fill up the bar oil reservoir or tank. I can think that confirms it doesn't work. Okay,